I ain't gonna do nothing. I'm not gonna do nothing. She ain't angry at me. She isn't angry at me. I ain't been to England. I haven't been to England. She ain't done nothing. They ain't coming today. She hasn't done anything. They aren't coming today. He ain't have got a bike. He doesn't have gotten a bike. Yeah, we replace I'm not, isn't, doesn't, haven't, hasn't, and with and. And. But when we speak fast, we use the schwa. And. Okay? Yes, guys, it's in a standard English. It's mostly used by artists or musicians in their songs. Some native speakers also use it. It's good for your listening, not written or speaking. It's just a lazy way of speaking. Alright? I ain't gonna do nothing. You gotta see, instead of saying and, the T is silent. I didn't say the T. So I just say I ain't gonna do nothing. The T is even silent here. So nothing, I'm saying nothing. I ain't gonna do nothing. Take note, guys, in linking when a sound ends with a E sound, we use the Y bridge to link. That is vowel to vowel linking. I ain't gonna do nothing. She ain't gonna do nothing. He ain't gonna do nothing. Wisdom. Wisdom.